Welcome back, folks. Today, we're diving into a must-have solution for homeowners looking to decorate their exteriors hassle-free. If you're tired of damaging your siding or struggling with traditional hooks, you're in the right place. We're talking about the best hooks for siding to hang things, and trust me, you won't want to miss this. Say goodbye to drilling holes or dealing with flimsy hooks that can't withstand the elements. Introducing the MUAKIOY 30-pack vinyl siding hooks hanger. These heavy-duty clips are a game-changer for anyone looking to add flair to their outdoor spaces without the headache. Let's break down why these hooks are a must-have. First off, installation couldn't be easier. No drilling, no special equipment needed. These flexible clips seamlessly fit into any siding seam, providing a secure hold without any risk of damage. Simply roll these babies into place, and you're ready to go. And let me tell you, they're built to last. Crafted from thick 304 stainless steel, these hooks are rust-free and built to withstand whatever Mother Nature throws their way. But here's where it gets really exciting. With a max load bearing of 18 pounds, you can hang just about anything. From wreaths and Christmas lights to sign plaques and outdoor decorations, the possibilities are endless. Imagine effortlessly adding festive touches to your home, knowing these hooks have your back. And with 30 hooks in each pack, you'll have plenty to decorate to your heart's content. So, if you're ready to elevate your outdoor decor game without the hassle, head over to Amazon and grab your MUAKIOY vinyl siding hooks hanger today. Your siding, and your decorations, will thank you. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more product reviews, and I'll see you next time on Product Critique. Happy decorating!